Do you pay mortgage in Ghana and at the same time pay full taxes on your employment income? Did you know that you can get tax reliefs on your mortgage interest? The Income Tax Act 896 Act 2015 and its amendments provide that tax reliefs could be granted on mortgage interest. You will have to meet certain criteria for you to benefit from this tax reliefs. But before I provide these criteria, I would like to give a brief explanation or a simple explanation of what mortgage is. So mortgage is a loan for building houses or for buying a house where the house itself serves as a collateral. So these are the criteria that you will have to meet in order to get the tax reliefs on the mortgage interest. So you will have to be a resident individual. The mortgage you've acquired should be for a resident property. So the property shouldn't be for commercial purpose. It should be for resident purpose. And also you'll have to note that it is the interest which the reliefs will be granted on. You will not be granted reliefs on the principal you are paying. So for example, if you acquire a mortgage of a certain amount and you are supposed to pay 3,000 in principal and 1,000 Ghana cedis as the mortgage interest monthly, meaning the interest portion you pay for a month will be 1,000 Ghana cedis for a month, accumulating to 12,000 Ghana cedis a year. So it is this 12,000 Ghana cedis which will be granted to you as a tax relief, and this tax relief will be spread, will not be given in just a single month, but it will be spread across 12 months period, where in a month you will get a relief of 1,000 Ghana cedis on your chargeable income. So this is to reduce your tax burdens and grant you a cushion for you to get a little increment in your net salary. You'll also have to note that for you to get this tax relief, it should be your first property. So if you've already acquired mortgage for a property and this is your second or third property, it wouldn't qualify for a mortgage. And the documents you will need in applying for this tax relief will be documents which indicate that this is your first mortgage, and at the same time you will need a statement indicating interest paid for the year for them to grant you the tax relief. So without these documents you can't get the relief. If you've acquired mortgage or you intend acquiring mortgage for your first resident property, then make sure you capitalize on this tax relief, which is the mortgage interest relief. You get it simple. You get a tax relief form from GRA. You fill, you add the documents needed, and this relief will be granted. If you're unclear about one or two, or you will need assistance, you can contact me for assistance.